Welcome back, friends. Now it's time to color our picture that we made from a square. I found these markers at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, so I'm using these watercolor markers to color. So color with me. And remember, there are no mistakes. You can color every single thing in your picture whatever color you want. You do not have to follow what I'm doing. We're just gonna have fun and color. Let's go. I truly hope you all enjoyed this mini series that I created with turning a square into a picture and coloring with me. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will be back soon, friends.